Hey guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this simple eyeshadow look with 2 colors and 1 brush. If you are interested in seeing how I got this simple look, then please keep watching. To start the eyeshadow look, you're going to prep your eyes. You can use an eyeshadow primer, you can use whatever you would like. I personally like to use a concealer only because I feel like my eyelids have some pigmentation and some veins, and I just like to use a concealer. That's what I prefer. I'm using the Benefit Boing Concealer. It's the new liquid cakeless situation. Blending it out with a beauty sponge. The eyeshadow that I'm going to use is from the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Love Signs palette. This is such a versatile palette. I personally love it. I took it on a trip with me. It's the only eyeshadow palette I took, and I had so many different looks, so many different options. You can use whatever eyeshadow you would like. You probably already have some in your collection. What you're going to need is a shimmer color and a matte color that are complementary to each other. So what I also like about this palette is that they're already paired. I'm going to be using Libra in both the shimmer and the matte. Again, you want something that is complementary to each other, that are kind of in the same like shade, tone, things like that. You can also use a brighter shimmer shade and a darker matte shade, but you only need 2, a shimmer and a matte. What you're going to do is take your shimmer shade, so I'm going to take this shimmery Libra, and I'm going to use my finger, and I'm just going to pat that on my lid. Then with a blender brush, this one is from Wet n Wild. I think it's like 99 cents. You can find it in a bunch of different places. I'm going to take the matte Libra shade, load up my brush, tap off the excess, and then I'm just going to blend that shimmer shade up above my crease and on this bone, which I think is called the frontal bone. That's your eye look. That's how simple it is. I'm going to apply some liner as well as some mascara. I'm going to use the Epic Ink liner from NYX. And I'm not doing a wing. I'm just applying liner. And then I'm going to be applying my mascara. I've been liking this duo lately. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Base. It is a lash primer, and the Connoisseur Big Mascara from Lancome. And there you have it. There is the most simple eyeshadow look in the whole entire world. Great for every day. I'm going to go off camera and finish the other eye, and then we're going to go over some tips and tricks on how to bump this up a notch. Okay, so ways that you can bump this up a notch is doing a brow bone highlight and an inner corner highlight. Still taking the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Love Signs palette because it does have a highlighter right in the middle. However, you can use whichever highlight you would like. And taking just a small detail brush, I guess, and rubbing that highlight in the inner corner as well as underneath the arch of your brow. It's a simple step, but it really elevates the look because whenever it catches the light, bam, right there. It just makes all of the difference. Another thing that you can do to elevate the look, if you're feeling like your eyes might need a little bit more definition, you can take a small blender brush. This one is a Morphe Y22, and take the matte shade that you blended on your crease or above your crease, dip it in gently. You would also generally do this before you put mascara on, such as life, and just gently buff that color on your lower lash line. It gives a little bit more definition and opens up your eyes just a touch. Again, always to elevate the eye look. However, if you just want to do the simple one too, that's on you. The third way to elevate the eye look is lashes. You know I had to. Lashes really just make any eye look pop, whether you're wearing no makeup, whether you're wearing tons of makeup. They just really are kind of like the cherry on top of the sundae, if you will. Lashes make a huge difference. So I'm going to use these Kiss Pompadour lashes. They are a little bit, I don't know, they're like in between dramatic and natural, if you will. Okay, and there you have it, a quick, simple eye look and 3 ways to elevate it, whatever degree you're wanting. This is just great for every day. It honestly is so quick, it's so simple, will get you out the door with looking a little bit more refreshed. You don't even need to put liner on. I did this on vacation and I did not put liner on, I just put some mascara on, and it looks so simple and effortless. And honestly, it's just, eyeshadow doesn't have to be complicated. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. I will list everything I used in this video in the description box below, so if you are interested in any of it, you can check it out on your own time. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another video. Thanks so much for watching, guys.